Okay.
Hi, my name is Sean. It is the 6th, 2013 of August. And we're going to launch this rocket. There's some streamers.
Don't
Yeah, don't pull apart.
So like, we're gonna press a little button right over there, and then this will shoot. We're crossing our fingers that won't go in the pond. So.
Tell us what we're doing here.
Okay. This is the button. Well. Okay. So. Do I stick it in there?
Yeah, stick it in there.
So we'll stick this in there.
When you push both down, it's gonna go. So start the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push hard. Push and hold it.
I can't do this.
Here, I'll hold the black one and you push the white one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
What the heck? Slap my mind.
Okay. We are going to set this off. Okay.
Okay, count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
All right, go chase it, quick.
Okay.
It's going in the trees.
No.
Going in the trees. Oh, perfect.
I got a good video. Oh, that was so good.
How far away was it?
How did it work?
What?
How did it work?
Yep.
Go. Commentary. Tell us.
Is it on?
Yep.
Okay.
Facing the wrong way.
That's good.
Okay. Kian.
Countdown.
Are you counting down?
It's sitting on your phone. I wonder if it's broken.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
It's coming down right on the car. The cap didn't come off.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there it is going. The parachute didn't come out. You folded it. Clunk.
At least it's closer.
There's too much crap in it. Food.
Kian, check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, wait.
Oh, careful, don't pull on it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
All right, pull the key out. Start the countdown again.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Still no parachute.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
I don't know.
There it goes.